Hi, I'm Chris from DecksDirect. We're going to talk really quickly about replacing your top and bottom railings for many reasons, whether they have too many holes in there, they're warped and old, but we're going to go through the best options for you. The first one is just to start all over and grab any one of our railing systems that we have, whether that be aluminum, composite, or cable. But second, and probably best bet, especially if you like the wood look, is to grab these brackets right here. They're going to come in a straight, a stair, and a 45-degree angle. This is going to help keep a nice clean fit so you don't have to toenail in on the wood, and it'll create a long-lasting solution for you. Hope this video was helpful.